Damn, everything has been covered, what to do now? Oh yay, Des Holiday. So we've all heard of Gaster, people dying in the dark world, Undertale being a parallel universe to our own. But what happened in the bunker? Where did Des go? Everyone has covered. Well, I think Des is obviously in the dark world, you know, dumb teenager brain and all, but also is slowly becoming a goner kid. Let me explain. Everyone forgot about Gaster because he went into the vac thing, with his followers presumably taking the same thing, so Des is probably undergoing the same treatment. We don't know what's in the bunker, but we can safely assume it's Gaster bunker because of the phone call sound, and Gaster is known to have dangerous technology that resulted in that. And knowing Gaster is magic plus magic, we can deduce that this bunker has the effect of slowly turning people crazy and possibly whatever happened to these weirdos. Considering how long the incident has been, the people might just start forgetting Noelle even had a sister in the first place, forgetting she ever existed, and that's my Coco theory. Come back for more in what Chris skipping the school section means. So until then, Undertale 2 is tomorrow or something. Night.